Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Yuka app. You will go to settings. In this page here, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Yuka and you will enter. Then here in this page, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi, and then you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your